You ready? Go ahead. Go see if you want to take a bath. His first time in the big sink to take a bath. You wanted to take one. We'll see if he'll do it. Good boy. Turn this down a little bit. There you go, buddy. Here. It'll fill up for you. Good job. Good job. Wow, look at you, you brave boy. He's brave. He's never dumped his head like that.